In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell resume templates on Etsy. First, open a new browser and search for Canva. Click the official Canva link to reach the home page and log in. A free account is fine for this. Once you're inside, open the resume template you plan to sell, or create a clean, professional layout that's easy to customize with names, job titles, and sections. Before exporting, make a simple PDF instruction guide for your buyers. Include the share link to your Canva template, clear steps on how to edit text, colors, and sections, and a short list of suggested fonts or design tips. This extra file adds real value and cuts down on customer questions. When your template and guide are ready, click Share, then Download. Choose the PDF format and download your files. For most digital listings, PDF Standard keeps file sizes small and easy to deliver. If you need print-perfect quality, PDF Print is an option, but remember, larger files can be slower to upload. Give your files clear names so buyers know exactly what they're opening. Now move to Etsy. Log in and go to Shop Manager. Open Listings and select Add a Listing. In the category prompt, start typing resume templates. Select the most accurate match from the results and continue. This ensures your product shows up in the right searches and helps Etsy place your listing in the correct category. Fill out the About section with a clear, keyword-rich title and a detailed description that explains what buyers receive and how the template works. Upload your deliverable files, including the PDF instruction guide and any downloadable assets, and add high-quality preview images. Mock-ups that show multiple pages and different color options help buyers picture the final result and build trust. Add your price and inventory, then complete variations, details, processing and shipping, and settings. For a digital product, set it as a digital download so there's no physical shipping. Use variations for different styles or color palettes if you offer them. In details, choose the right category attributes and add strong tags to improve search visibility. For processing and shipping, confirm it's an instant download with no shipping charges and make sure the correct files are attached. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your listing will go live and customers can purchase and instantly download your files. Keep an eye on messages for any support questions, and update your template or instruction guide over time based on feedback. That's all you need to create and sell resume templates on Etsy with a smooth, professional workflow.